Hey friends, let's see 5 high income skills to be learned in 2022. These skills are very much in demand. Learn them to make it big. First, video editing. There's a high demand for skilled video editors, and these positions will not be filled by any college degree. But be a skilled editor. How? Learn from Skillshare and start. Second, digital marketing. Digital marketing is booming day by day. Every business needs it now. Some specific areas within digital marketing include online advertising, social media, content marketing, email marketing. How to learn? Start with Google Digital Garage and Facebook Blueprint. Third, web design. This is also an amazing high demand skill to learn. You don't have to learn coding for this. How to learn? There are tons of courses available on Udemy for web designing. More you do practically, more you will get better in this. Fourth, SEO is a high demand as companies try to bring in organic views to their websites and products. Its demand is going to higher and higher in coming years. How to learn? Authority Hackers, Neil Patel's blog, Arthur's blog, and many more. User experience. User experience is rapidly growing field and it's perfect for people with advanced degrees. Can learn it from any of these platforms: Springboards, Skillshare, Treehouse, etc. Thank you.